In the last practice project, I made this, which I did by making a script and changing every row's color from, it was a lot of steps, go watch the video, I'll link it. But this time, I'm going to do something similar using what we learned in the last lesson, which is putting a script inside of a part and then changing the color of that parent. So I'll only use a few different colors and see how that goes. Should be a little bit easier. We'll see. First things first, I'm going to get the part, resize it to how it was last time, and I'm not sure how many parts I need. Let me go steal a picture from the internet and then see how many different colors I think I'll need. So I got this beautiful image I found here. Probably need, let me see, let me write down all the colors I think I'll need. I need white for the background, obviously, black for his fur, pink for the details, like a goldish yellowish color for his chain, and the red hat. I wonder if this will be enough. I don't know. Maybe I'll do like a light black, also known as gray. I don't know why I'm weird. Light black. It's light black. I can't count. I think this should be enough details. And now we just have to split up the image into 64 equal, quote unquote, equal parts. And then identify what color each part should be. So, I'll make this green since I don't see any green on here. And I'm just going to make a little border around everything in the new layer. I'm just going to have to wing it. I have to just cut the image in half and then cut both of these halves in half to the best of my ability, and then cut each of these halves in half. Oh no, this is gonna be bad. It's whatever. Now we do the same thing in the other axes. Cut Biggie Cheese in half, and these halves, then these halves. I think I'm not doing a bad job actually. And wow, okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Could have been better, but I'll take it. Now I'll go into a new layer and try to see which layers should be what. Start off with the white. Any block I think should be white, I'll go ahead and make that white. Okay, so I did my best to color in everything I think that should be white. Like if it was mostly white in one section, I just filled that in with white, but I wanted to leave some for the detail. And I think I made my green lines too thick. That might interfere, but yeah, you get the idea. I'll just color in whatever I think the right color is for each section based on what I see. And I'll just go ahead and do that with the rest of the colors. So give me a second. Well, it'll be 5 seconds for you exactly. It'll be a little bit longer than that for me. Okay, I'm done. This looks absolutely nothing like Biggie Cheese, absolutely. But you know what? I'll go with it. Oh, I'm already made this far. Can't turn back now. Anyways, what I'll need to do is I'll need to take the RGB value of all of these and make 6 different scripts to match up with the RGB value for them. Actually, I'll just use the sticky note and write down the RGB value for it. And then I'll see you in studio. Now I need to put the script inside of the part. And I'll just do it like we did last time, make a variable for the parent, equal part equals script.parent. And now we can make the part.color equal color3 from RGB. We'll start with the white. Let's go ahead and play this to make sure it's going well. And there it is, the part changed to white. Now it's just a matter of placing these white parts, well, soon to be white parts, where they belong. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and play this. And yeah, they're all turning white, you see? Perfect. Now we're going to move on to the next color, light black. And I'm just going to do this for every color. I'm just going to copy and paste the RGB. The script should already be inside the part. So we go inside the script, inside the part, and copy and paste the RGB value. And now wherever I see a gray part here, I just do the same in Studio. And I'll do the same thing for every other color. So see you in 5 seconds. Hopefully I'm done. I hope you guys are smarter than me. You should have been naming all these parts after all the different colors because right now I have no way of knowing like what color this part is unless I go inside the script and look, it's gray. So you should have been naming it. I'm sorry, I didn't, I forgot. But projects are for me to make mistakes and show you the harsh reality. The tutorials are supposed to be the nice, oh look, this is how you do this. Everything's so pretty. These practice projects are for the harsh reality of stuff. It's not that serious, but if you mess up, having it nice and organized helps. But anyways, enough talk. Let's see this in action. Wow. Low key, you can kind of recognize it's Biggie Cheese, low key. Lowest of lowest of lowest of keys. I actually like this. I'm gonna hang this up on my wall. Anyways, let me compare it. I think I did a good job. I don't think I really messed up anywhere. But anyways, you know the drill. Let's get Sav in here. Before we can call this a success, we have to see if it's recognizable to anyone other than us. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready to tell me if you can recognize this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're gonna have to use 100% of your brain for this.
I bet. You were right.
You got this, you got this. You're gonna get it first guess. Just try to think hard. It's not a real thing, it's like a fictional thing.
Do I know what it is?
Oh, you know what it is.
I don't. That doesn't look like anything. I was gonna say like a cupcake. You said it's not a real thing.
It's a being. I was pretty obsessed with it.
Alf.
It's not Alf.
Something Avatar.
No,
A cave worm.
no, it's not a cave worm. It was a meme.
I literally have no idea.
You know.
Obviously, I don't.
You know it's a mammal.
It's an animal, an octopus.
No, octopus is not even a vertebrate. It's a mammal.
I don't
It's a
even
rodent.
know.
Rodent meme.
A rodent, a capybara.
No, it's.
What was
I guess
that
this
thing
is a
called?
fail. I guess this counts as a failure, huh?
I mean, look at that. You don't know what that is.
Okay, what if I zoom out? You see it now?
No,
Let me know when
that's
you.
nothing.
Let me know when you start to see it.
I don't see anything. I'm sorry.
You can kind of see it now. You can. I could literally see that.
A rodent.
Yes.
I don't know
You can
many
kind of see it
rodents.
right here.
Biggie
No.
Cheese!
Yes! You actually saw it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mr. Bombastique.
Exactly. Let's see this. Wow, I can't believe you got it. I only used 6 different colors for this.
Yeah, I see that. Nice job.
You think so?
I mean, it could have been a little better.
Could have.
But I got it eventually. I guess you did good, I guess.
Yeah. I made the little pink hand. I wanted some more detail. And I
Mhm.
made this ear a little pink, I guess. You could actually see it.
I see it. Okay. I guess you did good, I guess.
I can't believe you got that. I gave you so many hints. I thought you'd get it from the hints. But you
My
actually
bad.
saw it. That's even better though.
Yeah.
So was this a success or not?
It took me some time, but I got it. I was expecting it to be like something realistic, so I guess that threw me off.
This is going in the studio.
Nice. Let me see the code.
Oh,
Run.
each part has its color. Like this was the white, and then I just put the white on the outside. I didn't name the parts. I should have.
Actually, isn't that bad scripting to have a script in each part?
It is bad scripting, but that's what Roblox told me to do. I'll show you. I'll show you.
I would hate to be a nerd.
You can assign the part to a variable and then change the color. And then it said, oh, you could duplicate the part using Control D and make multiple parts with scripts inside of them. You see? That's what they told me to do, man.
That's not how I would do it, and I'm no coder.
Oh, you're smart then. You can actually sort of see it, like if you zoom far away. Isn't that crazy?
Let me see now that I know what it is.
Like right now, you can start to see it.
Yeah, you're right.
That's
you're
so
right.
cool. You can see it like right now if you just like close your eyes and then glance at it.
Yeah, looks like it.
That is awesome. With just 6 colors. Biggie cheese.